pagbibigay pagkilala sa mga individual sa iba't ibang larangan. Yan ang layunin ng Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achievers Awards.
This morning, makasama natin ang ilan sa awardees nito na sina Nodalyn Casalay, Braggy Braganza at Jameen Lim. Magandang umaga po and welcome sa Rise and Shine Pilipinas.
Good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning po.
Okay, first of all, congratulations dahil kayo po ang mga awardees ng Southeast Asian Premier Business Awards. Ano pong award yung mga napanalo ninyo? Starting with Ma'am Noda.
Me for entrepreneur. For business entrepreneur.
Outstanding entrepreneur.
Yes po.
Wow.
Sir Braggy.
Ako yata, good morning. Outstanding premier voiceover for PTV as voiceover announcer.
Wow. And of
sir?
course,
Outstanding photographer and production company.
wow, congratulations po sa inyo. Alam niyo po, si Sir Braggy po,
Yeah.
siya po yung nasa likod ng lahat ng mga voiceovers ng iba't ibang pinapalabas po dito sa PTV. Magandang mabigyan tayo ng sample,
Pwede
Sir
bang sample, Sir
Braggy?
Braggy?
Bigyan mo akong script.
Sige, Rise and Shine Pilipinas, abangan Lunes hanggang
Lunes to
Biyernes.
Lunes to
Lunes hanggang
Friday.
Biyernes.
Lunes to Friday. Taglish eh, no? Okay. So, good morning po. Welcome to Rise and Shine Pilipinas. Lunes hanggang Biyernes, dito lang sa PTV.
Wow!
Siya po yun.
Continuity voiceover.
Yes, oo. Sir, and ma'am and sir, ano po ang pakiramdam, syempre, na kayo po ay kinilala sa inyong mga larangan? And what does it mean to you personally na kinilala yung inyong hard work sa napili ninyong larangan? Let's start with Sir.
Siyempre, masaya po dahil na-recognize yung aming mga talento ng isang award-giving body po na kagaya ng Southeast Asian Business Premier Achievers Award po.
Alright, how about Sir Braggy?
Ako naman, I'm very grateful and honored that na-surprise ako dahil nabigyan ako ng attention and parangal. Na-recognize po yung mga trabaho ko all throughout the years. I'm now 32 years in the broadcast industry and also more than 10 years dito sa PTV po as voiceover. So I'd like to thank the Southeast Asian Premier Business and Achievers Award for this award that I'm about to receive soon. Thank you.
Miss Noda?
For me, napaka-super blessed po. Dahil at the young age, parang wow, super blessed po. And hindi lang po yung effort ko, of course with my team. Yun po yung pinagmamalaki ko. Yes, and I am so proud po sa team namin.
Okay, so anong ibig sabihin ng award na ito? At ano yung magiging epekto nito sa inyong mga, halimbawa sa iyo, sa negosyo mo, sa events, halimbawa, ano yung magiging epekto nito? Is it possible na mas marami yung magiging clients ninyo?
Yes po, sir. Bali, sa ngayon kasi ang daming scammers, hindi po yan maiiwasan, di ba? So, number one po is yung trust nila sa amin when it comes to productivity, yung pag-organize ng mga events like that. So, nandun po yung trust 100% na nandun kami. Hindi kami mangiindiyan, hindi kami, parang hindi namin sila iiwan when it comes to that event of their yun po, yung parang
You're always going to give your best,
yes,
diba?
100%
Ibig sabihin,
po.
yung award nito ay nagpapakita rin ng quality ng inyong
Yes po.
serbisyo.
Tama po.
Ayun.
Sir Braggy.
I want to ask also, since you've been in the industry for 3 decades, anong sekreto sa longevity? And now you're also, for sure, this is not the first time you were recognized, but then again, you are being recognized, sir. So, what's the secret with the longevity that you are having?
I don't know, it must be an energy drink. No, I'm just kidding. Well, I think siguro, it's not really planned, it just came in na I think, one individual who wants to succeed and, excel in their own field, they should be learning more, be innovative, and learn new things so that you can apply to your career. Siyempre, kailangan palagi may bago. You can't be just stagnant there and then baka pagsawaan ka na and then flat lang yung career. So, enable for you to stay longer and succeed and excel. I think na siyempre kailangan i-innovate natin yung sarili natin. We should learn how to do other things, discover other things, and apply it to our career. Pag medyo hindi natin kaya, we can also shift into something else that would mold us and be a better person.
Well, ang maganda kay Sir Braggy, na-discover niya rin lang din yung kanyang talent sa yung
It just
kanyang
came
voice
in
talent.
daw, diba? Si Sir naman, bilang isang photographer and of course, part of the production. So, syempre, how do you make sure na your outputs are always unique? You know, we have this what we call unique selling proposition in order for you na mabenta yung sarili mo. What is your difference doon sa iba pa mga photographers and production?
Yeah, aside from affordable po yung services po namin, we make sure na maganda rin po yung quality, yung output na ipapasa namin sa client. Kasi doon po nagkakatalo ngayon eh. Tsaka yun, we are offering other services like video 360, live streaming, and mirror booth para medyo unique po kami.
Yung
So,
video
pinapackage
360
yun.
yung umiikot, di ba?
uso
Pero
na
alam mo
yan.
sa Sir Jamin, hindi lang siya basta photographer. Photographer siya ng mga celebrity.
Di ba? Tinanong ko nga siya kanina, kapatid ba niya si Jairil?
Well, anyway,
Kumakanta ka rin ba, sir?
Hindi po.
Well, anyway, sir, panghuli na lamang po, no, ang inyo pong mensahe sa publiko, lalo na sa mga kliyente ninyo. Starting with Ma'am Noda.
Maraming salamat po sa mga clients namin na walang sawang sumusuporta. So maraming salamat din po sa mga team ko, of course, for the effort and sacrifices. Lalo na ngayong December, super kami, halos araw-araw po yung events namin, wala silang pahinga. Pero their efforts and sacrifices po for the success po ng aming mga event is napaka-super 100%. And yun po, maraming salamat din po sa mga clients na laging bumabalik po sa amin talaga na after ng isa nilang event, they will come again to their next event. Kaya maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Satisfied yung client, ibig sabihin.
Yes po, tama po.
Sir Braggy?
Okay, so sa akin naman po, as yung sinabi ko kanina, as we evolve, we should learn new things. Sana naman po sa pag-evolve ko din, sa pagtanggap sa award na to, I'd like to thank everybody po na sumusuporta sa akin, like PTV and other businesses and mga projects and events sa pagkuha po sa akin sa kanilang mga activity and events. And I'm very grateful and thankful po na nakukuha pa rin nila ako maski pa paano. And I hope that this award would add more business to and exposure to my talent po. Yan, maraming salamat.
Pwede, no? Sa RSV. How
Sir
about
Jamil.
you, Sir Jamil?
Gusto kong pasalamatan yung mga clients namin and yung mga repeat clients na patuloy sumusuporta sa aming mga services po. Ngawa po, huwag kayong magsawang suportahan po kami. Yun lang po. Salamat.
Ay, saan to at kailan? I think this is going to be on Friday, December 8, right?
Yes po.
Sa?
Sa Winford Hotel po on Friday.
Okay, alright.
Ayan, magkikita-kita tayo lahat dyan.
Yes.
Ano? Again, congratulations sa mga pagkilalang inyong tatanggapin sa Southeast Asian Premier Business Awards. Ayan, at maraming salamat din po sa pagpunta ngayong umaga dito sa
Thank you
Rise and
very
Shine
much po.
Pilipinas.